Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. My name is Adil, I am from Caesar Blue Waters, Dubai, and today I am gonna make Scotch eggs in bird's nest using US eggs. Before we start, let's have a look on the ingredients first. For Scotch egg, I am using US beef and US eggs, paprika powder, salt and pepper, thyme, onion and breadcrumbs. For bird's nest, I will use boiled egg and boiled potatoes, white onion, thyme, paprika powder, salt, oregano, pepper, and for crumbing I will use slurry and vermicelli. For garnish and dips, I will use dill leaves, cucumber, mayonnaise, avocado, red bell pepper, baby red radish, frozen green peas, rocket leaves, olive oil, salt and pepper. First of all, I'll start marinating our beef. For that, I will be needing chopped white onions, and meanwhile our eggs are also boiling. I will saute some chopped onions and thyme in butter. We will cook it till its raw flavor goes off like this. It's done now. Now I'll remove it in a plate and I will put this in chiller to cool it down. So now we'll proceed with the beef. I'll put the beef in a bowl. This onions, half of this, around 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, and around 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. Now we'll mix it. Now I will wrap the eggs with the meat. Here we have our eggs, which is already boiled for 7 minutes. So both the eggs are ready. Now I'll crumb it. Here we have beaten egg. Now in the breadcrumbs. Proceeding with the nest now. For that I'll take boiled potatoes, the remaining sautéed onion, around 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, around 1 teaspoon of oregano. Now here we have chopped egg whites, and the remaining yolk I will use for a dip. So I'll mix it now. So I'll give it a shape of a nest. So now I'll put this in the freezer to retain the shape of the nest. From the remaining yolk, we'll make a dip now. So I'll take the yolk, and I'll be needing avocado. Around half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, and 2 teaspoon of mayonnaise. Now I'll mix it. Now I'll put this in a piping bag. So now we'll start crumbing our nest. So now I'll cut the vegetables that I need for plating. So I'll blanch the frozen peas now for green pea puree. So I'll put salt in the water. And the green peas. I'll put ice in the jar and I'll blend it. Our oil is hot, so I'll fry out the nest now. So our nest is ready. Now I'll fry the Scotch egg. Some olive oil on rocket leaves, pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Now we'll toss it. All the elements of my dish are ready, so we'll start plating now. Now I'll make dots of avocado egg yolk dip. Some green peas. Cucumber cubes. Red bell pepper, baby red radish, and some dill leaves. Time to put our nest. Our rocket leaf salad. And egg. Little bit of olive oil. So my Scotch egg in bird's nest using US egg is ready. So I will cut it and we'll see how it is from inside. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.